Hi guys, welcome back to FabArt Studio. My name is Ruta and this video is the first video of our entire Canva tutorial series. And in this video we are starting with the basics of Canva. I will be giving you a brief overview of the entire panel and all the basic features that are being provided by the Canva tool. So if you are already using Canva tool, you can skip watching this video. So let's get started. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic designing platform used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. The application includes templates for users to use it directly. The platform is free to use and offers paid subscriptions as well. And you can create such templates, logos, YouTube thumbnail, infographics, and much more. If you are a beginner, you can start with the free Canva account, but it also offers the paid subscriptions as well. Here are the details for the same: Canva Pro and Canva Enterprise. You can find more details about the Pro account on official Canva website. And if you are a beginner and you want to use Canva for your digital marketing or any personal use, you can start with the free account. Now let's look into the tool. So I will be using this Canva website for the demonstration of this video, but you can definitely go with the Canva mobile application as well. So this is the landing page of our Canva website, and you can see they are offering you different templates. You can see your own designs that you have created. So on the left panel we have different options like all your designs, so you can see all the designs that you have created so far on the tool. So these are designs that I have recently created for one of my project. Second option is shared with you. So if someone is sharing their design with you, you can see it here. And this is brand kit. So brand kit is for the pro and enterprise level channel. And this is like you can create your own team and you can share the workspace for all your designs. I am creating a FabArts crew over here. So this way you can maintain your designs and you can suggest changes and all. So here you have to provide the email address through which your members, like team members, Canva channel is associated with. So this functionality is really helpful when you are working in collaboration. And also you can assign the privileges as per the member or administrator here. And here you have all your folders where you can organize and segregate your designs. And once you delete your design, it will go to trash and you can retrieve it from there. And this is again the team that I have just created. So here through the templates you can decide which template you want to go ahead with as per the requirement. And if you don't want to use any particular template, you can create your own design and you can choose the width and height, and that too in different unit like pixels. So for this video we will start editing one Instagram post. So here are few templates that are already provided by Canva. And you can see it's a mixture of both paid and free templates, and I guess right now if you want to buy a particular template it would be under 100 rupees. And as a beginner you can definitely go with the free one. So like this is a free template, I can use this template. So here it is how it looks. So I can change almost all the elements that are present on this template and I can customize as per my own. So here for example I will give FabArt Studio, and I can change the position of the elements. And one most important thing regarding the commercial license, so you can use Canva designs and elements for free from the free account, but just that you cannot sell them on any other platform directly, the ready-made templates I mean. And if you don't like the background, you can change the background as per your need. So here I will be choosing this white wooden texture background that is available for free from Canva Photos. And for now I will be sending it to backward. So these are the all these elements act in a layer, so that you can play around with them and reshuffle them as per your need. So I have sent the background obviously to the last layer, and here are lot of amazing fonts that Canva offers. On the left side you can see document colors. So this shows all the colors that are presently available on your template. You can also add a link to your element. For example, here I want to add the Etsy shop link to this element. I can add that, and I can also lock the element so that no one can move it by mistake also. Here I am adding the link. So anyone who clicks on this element will be navigated to the Etsy shop. And you can make use of this particular feature to link your Facebook or Instagram page as well. And this way you can create different templates and export it and use it on your social media platforms. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel. Next we will be bringing you more tutorials on Canva tool.